Today we are going to discuss about use of flagmen/banksmen. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Miscommunication with driver. Use clear and standard hand signals. Hazard number 2. Poor visibility of banksman. Wear high visibility vest. Hazard number 3. Standing in unsafe position. Stand at safe and visible location. Hazard number 4. Distraction during signaling. Stay focused and avoid interruptions. Hazard number 5. Untrained personnel guiding vehicles. Allow only trained banksmen for duty.